What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, Makumalo had called a meeting where all the four wives met, and they were discussing about the deteriorating health of Umseleko. So, Mayeni herself, with her reaction, she actually sparked various responses from viewers when she expressed like a lack of concern regarding Mseleko's well-being. So Mayeni was stating that if Umseleko wants to heal, he knows what to do. So this reaction from Mayeni is really surprising because Mseleko was sick, and she's now saying that if Mseleko wants to heal, he knows what to do. It really doesn't make any sense. And Mayeni was not showing no feeling whatsoever really towards Nseleko, because you could see that Mayeni was sort of like asserting her independence and holding Nseleko accountable for his past actions. So Mayeni is sort of kind of like being an independent woman who probably seems no longer to be valuing the marriage to Mseleko, because you cannot be saying that to your own husband. And on top of that, she was saying that in the presence of all these other wives. And in that meeting, she actually dropped the name of the fifth wife by saying that Mseleko is taking the fifth wife. So you can see that Mayeni is creating this drama that is like kind of trying to destroy this polygamous marriage. Obviously, Mayeni is not happy about the incoming fifth wife. But in essence, what is actually happening is that Musa Mseleko himself is struggling, if not completely failing, to maintain authority over this polygamous marriage. Obviously, right now he is sick, but before that, Musa Mseleko was sort of like losing that grip over this marriage, and it is affecting the unity that is within this family. So, tell me what you think in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.